Smart people never become billionaires. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. And in the next 2 minutes, I shall attempt to tell you why smart people never make billionaires. You see, there are a lot of reasons why people who are smart might never become billionaires. And the very first is that the smarter you are, the more logical you become. You try to see if 1 + 1 would equals 2. You try to see if salt and sugar are diametrically opposed. And you see, in business, that doesn't work. If not for somebody being illogical, what would make Jeff Bezos run Amazon for over a decade without a single profit? The second reason why smart people might not necessarily make good billionaires is because smart people are risk averse. They do not want to take risk because risk would, in the long term, either damage them or make them. But they'd rather be made than damaged. But you see, it was risk that made humans put another human on the moon. And indeed, the richest man today, Elon Musk, is the richest man because he is the most risk taker. Finally, the reason why smart people cannot become billionaires is because smart people are egotistically driven. In sales and business, you need to get your hands dirty. You need to get to the street to do door-to-door sales. And of course, we have numerous examples in history that shows that without these sales, business cannot thrive. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd like to leave you with a question to burn in your minds. Does that mean that to become a billionaire, we have to be dumb? Think about this.